So the massive flows of uncorrelated data that exist in manufacturing really inhibit our manufacturing customers from creating value from that data. What Proficy Data Hub is, it really solves two problems. It allows our customers to build up object definitions and model context so that they can deploy their systems faster, because all of the elements of the Proficy Suite will share a common model context. HMI SCADA, Historian, the MES layer, Proficy Smart Factory, all will share a common model. So all of the data being collected across those platforms will be in a shared context. And when we couple that with a data fabric that allows for other applications, BI tools, analytic tools, or a desire for customers to pipe that data off the factory floor into their data lake to be combined with other sets of data. All of that's going to be able to use that same contextual model to be able to not just stream data, but to stream data in the context of the model so that value can be created from that data. And our model is going to be really rich. So customers, it's not just about mapping data to assets. If a customer builds an analytic model for a particular machine type, they'll be able to add that to the object definition. And so every one of those machines, they'll be able to deploy that same analytic model so that they start to get value at scale from those investments in both in the modeling construct as well as in could be graphic elements that they've built, it could be analytic models, a variety of sort of rich content that can be added to the models that then can be deployed at scale.